Climate change is used by scientists to describe major changes in our weather that affect our planet in negative ways. Now let's think about examples. Icebergs have been melting due to rising temperatures around the globe, but why is this happening? Everything on Earth is changing as we know it. When temperatures rise and ice melts, more water flows to the seas from glaciers and ice caps, and the ocean water warms and expands in volume. This combination of effects has played a major role in raising the average global sea level between 4 and 8 inches in the last 100 or so years. Specifically, since the Industrial Revolution, carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gas emissions have raised temperatures even higher in the poles, and as a result, glaciers are rapidly melting, calving off into the sea and retreating on land. This has resulted in a very quick increase in temperatures and the wide span of negative effects as a result. What can we do to combat this? If we don't do something soon, you may see the beautiful things you love about your home slowly melt away just like the ice caps. However, there are things you can do to make your carbon footprint a little bit smaller. Saving water reduces carbon pollution. That's because it takes a lot of energy to pump, heat, and treat your water. So take shorter showers and turn off the tap while brushing your teeth. Another way is to invest in renewable energy sources, like solar energy and wind energy, that are both low cost, highly effective, and produce significantly less pollution to the fossil fuel alternative. Food also has a big impact on climate change. Buying locally and sustainably grown food sources doesn't have to be expensive. Instead, try growing your food, support farm and businesses that are looking to use imperfect produce, aka perfectly edible produce that is slightly misshapen, support your local farms through farmers market, and any other ways.